درود بر فارسی زبان سراسر دنیا. دوستان یه تو ماشین اینجا واسه من وایساد که من تو کنه. به قول معروف همین یه چیزایی که تو اتوبان تهران هم هست. حالا بهش میگم که آقا من مشکلی ندارم، برو قربانت. بذار برم بهش بگم یا بذار خودش بیاد پایین. خواهد رفع مشکل کنه. میخواین دوربینمو بزنم اینجا ببینیم چه اتفاقی برامون میفته. خب این اومد از این شیشه که امن باشه. Hello sir.
How's it going?
Good. How you doing?
Pretty good. What
Okay.
seems to be the issue today?
Actually, my temperature was hot. I'm now think it's okay, and I plan to go exit the highway. Maybe should be okay.
All right. Did you need water or anything?
No, I actually I had.
You had water?
Yeah. Thank
okay,
you.
so did you pour some?
Thank you, sir.
Did you need more by any chance? No, you're good.
No.
Okay,
Thank you.
for sure.
It's your pleasure. Do you have visit card?
I guess I ran out, but let me go ahead and give you this.
Oh.
We provide a free service for stranded motorists on the highway. All right.
Nice.
It's 100% free. We don't charge anything. The free services we provide are on the left side right there. So you sure you're good? You don't need water?
Yes, sir.
You'll be able to take off?
Yes, sir. I'm waiting a little bit in the dawn. My temperature is down. I can live here.
Okay, sounds good.
Thank you. It's your appreciate.
Yeah, of course. If you change your mind or if something else happens, just give us a call, all right? It's 511. Yeah, you can either call 511 or the
511.
non-emergency number for 911.
Okay. Can I have your private number?
I don't have a private number
Why?
because it's for
It's for company, huh?
it's from the state.
It's from a state.
Yeah, it's
nice.
it's publicly funded. Yeah, so that's why it's free. Yeah.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, of course. You have a good day.
Do you have hiring?
Do we hire?
Yeah.
Yeah, as long as you have a clean driving record.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah. But other than that, yeah, you'll have to just
And where is your I have to through this website?
yeah.
It should be.
Yeah, you'll go there and then you'll be able to find it.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, of course. You have a good day.
You too. Have a good day. خب دوستان این شازده پسر خیلی پسر نازی هم بود. اسمش هم نمیدونم چی بود. خلاصه که برداشت. بعد اگه دقت کرده باشین ببینید از سمت چپ ماشین اومد سمت من، نه از سمت اتوبان، که خدا نکنه ریسکی نداشته باشه واسش ماشینی بیاد از بغل بزنه، خلاصه بدون ریسک باشه. این داستان نگوشییت هم میشه چی؟ صحبت کردن. رفت به حال قوه الهی، ترافیک هم روان، برویم به سوی کجا آباد خودمون. اینم آینه پشت سر، ماشین ها از پی هم روان. خب لطفاً لایک کنید، سابسکرایب کنید، با دوستاتون به اشتراک بذارین. حتما خواهشاً این لطفو در حق من بکنید. این کانال باید بشه بالای 1000 نفر که من بتونم ازش کسب درآمد کنم و این امکانش فقط با شیر کردن ویدیوهای کانال منه. تمنا میکنم این کارو انجام بدین. تا درود دیگر، بدرود در پناه حق.